We have the Keychron Q15 Max, their first ortholinear board. It's similar to all of their other previous boards in that it's got compatibility with Mac and Windows. They have their new QMK configurator, which looks a lot like VIA. It has a 2.4 GHz dongle, as well as Bluetooth capability. You can pair it up to 3 devices with Bluetooth. The stabilizers are screw-in. There's 4,000 milliamp hours of battery life, and there are over 22 different lighting effects that you can choose from on here. But a lot of the things that they put in here are very similar to all of the other Q and Q Max line. You can see you've got your tools, some spare parts, the keycap and switch puller, your spare keycaps. There's a great deal of spare keycaps. There's a 2.4 gigahertz dongle, a little converter thing, another converter thing. So there's an A to C and a C to A, and then the C to C cable. And then here is the keyboard itself. It's beautiful. I think they did a great job with this. The font is a little bit fuzzy in some spots, not as much on the letters as much as they are on the modifier keys, like an enter and tab and caps. They're all just, they seem a little gummy. The keycaps here are MDA profile. You can see that they're all the same. They kind of make a nice flat board as it goes across. And I think that's kind of good because you can switch the keycaps around, and it allows you to put the escape key somewhere else and move the number row or do whatever you need to do to make this keyboard just yours a little bit better. Now I wanted to show you these keycaps again. You can see it's just a little bit fuzzy. I mean, it still looks good, but for a double shot keycap, I don't understand. I love this new combo puller they have. Here are all the pieces, gaskets, screws, screwdriver, got the Allen wrench, and we got those little feet there. There's just all kinds of stuff. There is the C to A converter. You can take that and put that on the end of the cord. I'll show you that in just a little bit. We're gonna do that. There is the C to A converter. So you can plug that into your strip or your old computer or whatever. There's the 2.4 gigahertz dongle. So you can plug that directly into a USB-A, or if you don't have a USB-A, you can do what I'm doing here and make that a little converter. It's awesome. I love what they just thought of everything with this keyboard. Looks great. Now here's some sound tests, and maybe we'll come up with a review in a little bit later. Thanks.